Anderson on Saturday, and that was a 3-0 win by us. We had 2 goals in the first half and then a goal in the second half. I think we pretty much dominated the play in that game. We had a couple nice shots. We had a goal that they waved off thinking our guy was offside, which I strongly disputed. I felt like it was a legitimate goal. And we had a guy hit a free kick, direct kick, about 25, 30 yards out, hit the post. I mean, a beautiful shot, just a couple inches away from just getting slid in. So the score was at least 3-0. It could have been more than that. They had a couple opportunities, one threat.
Your touches are a lot better than the beginning of the year?
I think so. I think our touch is getting better. We didn't have great touch against Wawasee, but the field conditions were pretty poor.
Right.
But we had better touch against Anderson, and I think we had even better touch here against Kokomo. This was by far our best game that we played collectively as a team, man to man, down the lineup. Every player I felt like played pretty well. And usually I could say that for, a lot of the players, but not all. But I really can't think of a player that didn't contribute and play pretty well. So I'm really, really happy about that. We're pretty strong. So every team that we play, we may have played the weakest 3 opponents, conference opponents. So we're 3-0, but that's not the same as a 3-0 against, the future 4 opponents that we play. So we definitely have a difficult schedule conference-wise.
So this should get you prepared for sectional? And
I would say the remaining conference games would. We just have 4 teams on our sectional. Us, Columbia City, Wayne, and Homestead, and typically Homestead is the cream of the crop there.
Right.
Always a strong program to play against. But last year we got knocked out by Columbia City 1-0 on a corner kick, and it ended up our season. So I don't want to treat them lightly.
Right.
This year we won 2-1 on a pretty close game. Wayne is also in our sectional. We play them Saturday. And typically they haven't been a very strong opponent, but I think they have been getting better. So we don't want to kind of overlook Wayne.
Right.
And then we have a Logansport Conference game a week from today. That'll be by far probably our strongest contest in conference so far.
All right, cool.